Each year, hundreds of teams submit solution papers in the Moody's Mega Math Challenge, but only 6 make it to the competition finals in New York. According to this year's finalists, the keys to success include advanced preparation, teamwork, and a diverse skill set.
If you haven't done it before, it's a good idea to take the problem from the previous year and just do it so that you know what to expect and you know what's coming and you know exactly the strategy you need to take when you actually do the challenge.
Go on the Moody's website. They have all the videos of presentations from the past years. They have all the practice problems and all the papers. So look at those, see how your team would go about doing those problems, plan it out, assign parts.
There was one day where we took 8 hours and did last year's problem. And so that was our major practice run through. And so we went down, actually did it, sat in the library, worked for 8 hours and answered 2 of the 3 questions from last year.
Most of us individually went around and looked at some of the older competitions, some of the videos from previous years, and those helped us to know just what they were expecting, what should be included in the paper. And we also looked at the papers from years past to see what they should include, like a summary, a table of contents, that sort of thing.
You should have, people of different strengths. You can't just focus on the math. You have to have people who can research, people who can write. But definitely, everyone should have a strong math background. That's important.
I think it's important to have somebody who's good at implementing the models into a situation to test them and make sure they work out.
Just working together as a team, we actually formulated a schedule on what we would do. So it was more of what to do no matter what the problem is.
We knew each other's strengths. We were able to decide who would be in charge of what. We got one member of our team who's great with Excel and PowerPoint, and that's what we learned along the way. And so as soon as we needed a graph to be made, he would jump on that, which was just excellent.
I think a strong team is a team that can work really well together. We were able to understand our strengths and weaknesses and then sort of base which parts of the paper to write on that. And then there weren't a lot of arguments going on. We were able to work out the problems very smoothly.